Good morning, everybody. So, update with the E30. Naturally, building a car like this, you're going to run into things that you forget or you overlook, and we ran into basically our first snag with that, or first and second simultaneously. I got the E36 rack, but forgot the conversion kit, so that came in the mail. Got to go drop that off. Measured out the Willwoods, didn't fit, so gotta source some other kind of brakes. But anyway, all the custom welding was done, so I was hoping the car was going to fly together, right? I mentioned that before, I think. Well, true, because apparently the coilovers are in, the angle kit is in, the fuel cell is in, and Jeremy's almost done building the motor already. So, yay, I get to see all kinds of new stuff. Here comes the old moment of truth. Ta-da. It looks like there's heads on it. There's definitely heads on it. Got the old 799s on there. BTR valve springs, dual, of course. Gotta handle that drift abuse. These are CNC ported. Sitting on an LM7 iron block. I went iron just in case I want to boost it someday. So details on the motor. It is LM7, like I said. It is 9.5 to 1 compression, factory compression ratio. All it's got is CP pistons, scat rods, some nice race bearings, ARP hardware, BTR stage 2 cam, the hardened push rods, trunnion upgrade, everything like that. And all of that is going to be held into that car very nicely. With that sicky swap kit. And them sicky headers.
3 Days Grace and Fire from the Gods. And the cool thing about this show is that you can win free tickets to it all this weekend. Yes, you're listening for a chance to score to win your way in. You want a more specific time window as to when that's going to happen. Go over to the Rock 2.1 Facebook page. I have posted an unfair social media advantage for you right there.
Football season is here. Check out the End Zone Elite, brought to you by Bud Light. Convenience, Rock 2.1 DJs and other listeners with your weekly NFL picks. We will choose weekly winners for Bud Light prize packs. But check this out. One grand prize winner at the end of the season will win a Bud Light grand prize worth $700. Featuring a Bud Light NFL coin, football team, a Bud Light fire pit, and a cornhole game. To sign up and play, go to KFMA.com.
Classic rock is alive and well on our Lotus sister station, 96.1 KLPX.
That's what, so I was going to do that, but everybody said, oh, fuck with the geometry. I'm like, Alright, so I didn't do it. So then I turned around. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put.
What you laughing at, fool?
What? This is my welding program. I'm the best welder ever.
Are you the best welder in Tucson, bro?
Yes.
What'd you say, bitch? Just come over here and say that to my face. Come say it to my face. Okay. Wow. Wow. You don't say that. Getting ready to stab the motor in. Crap, my hair is getting wild. Anyway. E36 rack swap. Getting that in there. This new steering shaft. It is time.
Her? No.
Oof.
What do you say?
Oh. The car's shedding.
That's not good.
Did you break a hole?
Yep.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, you motherfucker. So the trans tunnel's been hammered out, at least as much as we could get leverage on it with hand. Tony made a damn hole in it. That's gonna have to be the end of this one. I didn't know my phone was running out of space, but it is. So we'll pick back up stabbing it in tomorrow.